I'm Gem Solutions, your business solutions. So we will dive in directly to the world of coding and automation. So basically, what is the purpose of this project? This project is to simply generate a PDF report, and I will show you how. So let's click on generate, click OK, and let's select a tenant code, generate again, and all the data related to the tenant is being generated. So we can now save this to PDF, click yes, OK, and the report is being generated. So this is the statement of account. The question is how it is being done in just simple click. So what is the VBA doing? Okay, so we have here several lessons. Teach you how to automatically generate the header and footer. I will show you one by one for you to have expectation. So let's go to the header and footer. Let's execute this header and footer code. Click inside the code and then run. Okay. And we can now select a tenant code. So the tenant code we choose is the T004, and we will fill the header. So let's go down. This is empty tenant information. So we need to get the tenant information. Let us run this code, and the tenant information came. And then we need to get the data from the data transaction. So let's click inside the code again, and then let's run. It is being generated, and the fifth topic is how to hide empty cells. So let's go to this fifth topic, click inside the code, and then let us run, and then it will hide the empty cells. Okay, it's already hidden, and let us calculate the remaining balance. This is the sixth topic. Let's go to calculate remaining balance, and then let us run again. The seventh topic is to calculate the amount in words. So let us run the function, run. Okay. Okay, so the amount in words is 120,000, and then the eighth topic is save to PDF. Let's go to our code and run. Click yes. Okay. And then here we go. Okay, so next let's try to change our customer or the tenant. So let's go to T008, generate, and here is the report being generated. Okay, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe, and please give your comment if what is the next topic that you wanted me to discuss. Thank you and God bless.